Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to enable and disable dark mode on Ubuntu. Bright layouts cause intense eye strain, but toggling the global theme style instantly protects your vision and alters your entire desktop appearance. First, open your application dash tray, search for Settings, and click directly on the icon to launch the control panel. Scroll down the primary options menu sidebar layout on the left and click directly on Appearance. Locate the specific configuration section block sitting right at the very top of the window explicitly labeled Style. To completely turn on dark mode, click directly on the visual choice block labeled Dark. The desktop environment framework will instantly execute a smooth crossfade transition, shifting your window backgrounds, system menus, file directories, and compatible native apps into a sleek, dark interface. Now, if you want to disable dark mode and return your system to a bright display look later on, look inside that same Style section block and click directly on Default. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.